Hello students, this is the video number 6 of chapter banking in class plus 2 economics under macroeconomics. Today's topic is process of money creation and credit creation by the commercial bank. How commercial bank creates credit, what is the system, what is the way. So in this video I will discuss. So following observation explains the process: primary deposit and secondary deposit. So first of all, we should know the meaning of primary deposit. Money, bank receives cash deposit from the people. People deposit money in the bank is called a primary deposit. Then secondary deposit. Money is lent in the form of loan by commercial banks, not in the form of cash, but in the form of credit entry. Very important, in the form of credit entry in the accounts of the borrowers is called a secondary deposit. Suppose मैंने कोई इंडस्ट्री लगानी है, उसके लिए मैंने बजट दिया मशीनरी का 1 करोड़ का, और वो 1 करोड़ रुपया बैंक जहां से मैंने मशीनरी खरीदनी है उनको देगा एंड एंट्री इन माई अकाउंट बिकॉज आई एम द बेनिफिट for that amount. I'm getting the benefit of that amount. I am the borrower, so I can issue check. So banks create money in the form of demand deposit, and borrower can issue checks against a loan. So they create deposit in the process of making loans. They keep small proportion or deposit, कुछ amount अपने पास बैंक रखता है, known as CRR or LRR, legal reserve ratio. Legal reserve ratio is further divided into two parts, CRR and SLR. So LRR is essential to maintain the minimum reserve ratio as per instruction of Reserve Bank of India or Central Bank of India. So these are the 2-3 briefs before a process of money creation in a single banking system. So let us take example. Suppose bank receive fresh deposit of rupees 1000 crore today and CRR announced by the RBI is a 10%. It means 10% and over 100 rupees 100 crore will be keeping deposit by bank and rest of the money will be given as a loan rupees 900 करोड़. सपोज बैंक में 1000 करोड़ रुपया जमा होता है और CRR फ्रॉम RBI डिसाइडेड 10%. So rupees 100 crore will be keep deposit by bank and lend the remaining amount. जो बच गया ये तो RBI के पास डिपॉजिट करेगा, जो बच गया वो that will be given for the loan. So how this process will come into effect, that I am going to discuss over here. So normally what is the heading? Creation of money in the single banking system. Because single banking, why it is? Because everything is controlled by the RBI. So in the previous video, I also discussed scheduled bank, non-scheduled bank. Under scheduled bank, public sector bank, private sector bank and foreign banks, also given some example. So this is the scheduled format, around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, as many as so until excess reserves are exhausted. जो एक्सेस रिजर्व है हमारा ये जीरो हो जाएगा तब तक. सो डिपॉजिट ऑफ द पीपल पब्लिक इन द कंट्री रुपीज 1000 करोड़, 10% of 1000 crore is 100 will be kept with the RBI and rest is loan given by the commercial banks. And this loan again will process in the second round. Again 10%, 900 minus 90, 810, and then 810 of 10%. Similarly, this process will continue. And how this 10,000 total will come? Now, excess reserve, also known as vault cash held by the commercial bank. So we know the formula of money multiplier or credit multiplier is equal to 1 upon LRR or CRR. So 1 upon 10%, 10 over 100 There is a double division, so 100 over 10, 10 times. मनी मल्टीप्लायर 10 टाइम्स. हमारे पास 1000 करोड़ रुपीज था, उसका 10 टाइम कितना हो गया? 10,000 करोड़. So we can say demand deposit in another way, 1 upon CRR into initial deposit or cash reserve. 1 upon 10% of 1000, 10% become 100 over 10, 10, 10 into 1000 is a 10,000. Or other way you can also do, multiplier is 10, so multiply by 10, it is a cash reserve, demand deposit is a 10,000 crore. So this is the money, total money supply in the economy, rupees 10,000 crore. So this is what all about creation of credit in a single banking system, and this is very important question as for examination point of view. In the board, CBSE board, it may come, so please take care. Once again, process primary deposit, secondary deposit, addition of these two become demand deposit. Credit entry, important word, in the name of the borrower, because borrower has to, they can issue a check against that loan. Then banks create money in the form of demand deposit. They create deposit in the process of making loans. So in the process of loan, let us take example, suppose bank receives to fresh deposit rupees 1000 crore and CRR announced by the RBI, Central Bank of India. So as per 10% of 1000 is rupees 100 crore, will keep deposit by bank, and rest of the money can give the loan, that is the 900 crore. This is the first round, second round, third, till excess reserves are exhausted. So this is the way or process of money creation in a single banking system. So please like, share and comment the video. So thank you very much.